All India Ayyappa Sangamam, which was conducted at Pamba under the aegis of Marxist Communist Party and its government, as if it is being conducted by the Devasam Board, had created much confusion in the political scenario of Kerala. NSS, that is the organization of Nayar community in Kerala, and its leader Sri Sukumaran Nayar declared unconditional support to this Sangamam, and not only that, he found fault with the UDF as well as the BJP for their stand against the Ayyappa Sangamam. Congress was thinking that it is going to win in the ensuing assembly election. But the change of stand of this NSS leader had created confusion in their minds, because the Nayar vote goes in favor of the LDF that will cast loss to the UDF. What is the purpose behind the Sukumaran Nayar taking this stand is to be probed into. We know that for 2 or 3 decades, a non-Nayar was the Chief Minister of Kerala. This time, even if the UDF gets majority, there is no chance for a Nayar to become the Chief Minister, because there was a move to make a Muslim as the Chief Minister of Kerala. And in the election, if the UDF gets majority and the Muslim MLAs are also of considerable number, the Chief Ministership will go to Muslim League. And even if the UDF gets majority, the Nayar community may not be getting, because we know that Sonia Gandhi is a Catholic. Herself and her son and daughter are the High Command. If the Catholic bishops request Sonia Gandhi to make a Catholic as the Chief Minister of Kerala, that will definitely happen, because the KPCC presidentship has gone to a Catholic only because of the intelligence of Sonia Gandhi and her children. Whereas the LDF comes to power, there is a chance for a Nayar to become the Chief Minister, because for the last 2 times Aniro was the Chief Minister. And in the LDF, the Nayar community had been given importance. If LDF becomes majority in the assembly election, because of this chance, the Nayar community wholeheartedly vote in favor of the LDF. In such an event, LDF will become the majority party and a Nayar will become the Chief Minister also.